If your Honda Civic makes a clunking noise when you turn at low speeds, like in a parking lot, that sound means something is wrong. Yes, that clunk almost always points to a worn-out part in the steering or suspension. For a 2016 to 2020 Civic, the problem is usually a failing outer tie rod end or a worn lower ball joint. This typically starts after 50,000 miles and happens much sooner if you drive on rough roads. The tie rod end has a small ball joint inside it. From the factory, it's packed with grease inside, a nylon cup. As the miles add up, that grease breaks down and the cup wears out, creating mechanical play. When you turn, that play is what makes the clunking sound you feel in the steering wheel. This same looseness can make the car feel unstable or wander on the road. It can also cause a bad shimmy when you brake from around 30 miles per hour to a stop. You can find the bad part yourself with a simple check. First, you have to safely lift the front of the car and place it on jack stands. Make sure the front wheels are completely off the ground. And never work under a car that is only supported by a jack. To check the outer tie rod end, grab a front wheel at the 9 and 3 o'clock positions. Try to wiggle it from side to side, like you're steering it. If you feel any play or hear a clunk, the tie rod end is bad. Next, check the lower ball joint. Move your hands to the 12 and 6 o'clock positions on the same wheel. Now try to rock it from top to bottom. Any looseness or clunking this way means you have a worn ball joint. A bad ball joint is a major safety issue as it helps hold the weight of the car, so do not skip this check. If you replace the part yourself, there are a few critical steps. After replacing a tie rod end, the car needs a computerized four-wheel alignment right away. If you skip this, your steering toe angles will be wrong. The car won't drive straight, and you will ruin your front tires. When you install the new part, you must use a torque wrench on the castle nut. Tighten it to the exact factory torque specification to avoid breaking the stud or leaving it loose, and always lock that nut in place with a new cotter pin. Ignoring this clunk is a bad idea. The constant shock from the loose part puts stress on other components, like the main steering rack and the struts. Over time, this can cause more parts to fail and could lead to a sudden separation of a steering linkage, which means a loss of control. So check for that looseness before it leads to a bigger repair.